Hei hi Akasfani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar achhiar tu silian sang puya Agriculture Minister PPC Vanor Watan Thathar February ni somhnia tangin sarkar in so thing ale tandon ati kumsang ni somhni police hungin serchip district TB Vei somruk pakua muchwani a December tha thlengin anjinga somthum pasir enkoldam anito thale February ni nga Delhi Assembly in thanne ni don Nepal le Tibet Ramria lirhinga wanga thiza chu za somni puruk antling to Agriculture Minister PPC Vanor Watan Thathar February ni somnia tangin sarkar in so thing le tan don ti asoi nimena pisa chanjabumit akomna minister chuan sarkar in agricultural market assurance scheme noya sarkar in red tur ati chu to angin so thing chu kezia cheng somnga le ni don ati a Mizo puma khoshang shanga society zeruk somsiri panga aum to thu sein heng society te hian district shanga sarkar in arwa man so thing lakhoma leina tur secondary collection center somnga palia anthur khom don thu sein district ina district agriculture marketing committee in alomba puidon ani ati
February ni somni atangin sarkarin kan le chandon ani chumin ani ama a local man modern omani chuan red thalo de patan local ve thaya kha chuan thu ni se amor sarkar enroll chin ture ro chu February ni somni state day atangin heng secondary collection center a hian so thing kejia somnga in sarkarin kan le don ani chumi kan hanruwa manna a chuan hun somnga palia kan siam me ka tuna hian chu chulati belle turania tuna hian district agriculture marketing committee gandin felvek doa chu ho chuan an district huam chunga an lo boi pui vekanga heng secondary collection center tura hian le turing kan imbuat sai don ani
Minister chuan so thing chu India ram hun shanga an tharna sathu sein abi takin India ram chimlama an tharna sati a tundin muna India ram puma so thing red ala san no thu sein keze cheng somni tanga somni panga velani ti a so thing leitu bayar shang ten Mizoram lam la hoi man novin India ram hun danga so thing ana lei mek ati a India ram hun thren khata chome kan nom ti sein red mumol taksiam ala nelawati Mizoram agriculture market board chairman ni bok PPC Vanor ta sarkarin kute chu so thing an leitan hun turarwa man Thathar ni somni chu ngak ram turin an nge na ti a thaidanga po malak mek ani thu sein bu hum tharatam theinan man la ti a kumhlui December ni som pasiri tangim pang bal kona bu hum keze cheng som thuma leitan ani thu sein marcha keze cheng zathum somnga ai tawin shalmek ani ti a munphia shalna turpo ti felani thu sein panel buyer ni pasari thanani thule indem na siamin aching tu tem an munphia an ke tran thule march atangin aleitu tan hena shal tran ani don thu soibok ani Aizawl borsa pulshiat puya district magistrate chuan thupek chu in phalna neilova petrol and diesel zor akhap district magistrate chu chuna talan danin thupek section 5 le 6 Mizoram Motor Spirit and High Speed Diesel Prevention of Malpractices in Supply and Distribution Order 1992 kaltat ani awanga chu ani thu talan ani a dan ang taka petrol and diesel shal aloni theina le mi puite anu him tlan jok nana thupek chu ani thu talan ani bok ani he khamna thupek zomlo te chu an petrol man sak ani baka BNS section zani somni pathum mangin an chunga shemna lek ani dona he thupek hen choni tangin thani chunga hom don ani Sarkar flagship program handholding policy noya thai thar chua lak khom na le shal chona turchung cha ngai tuin chairman Puvilram lena champhai district borsa Phovin district agriculture marketing committee an khoma Puvilram lena chon bana kai policy kon thoktu de ta na sarkar na duan chu hlok taka me puiten an man theu abe sei thu soin champhai district chuan thai thar chu an nga don awangin he handholding policy ti hroding turle kuno thoktu ten man son theinan le man zoka an thai tharte an shal theinan line department te chu an poimo hle a theito pan chu atulani ati borsap chon mi puiten an thai thar chu ol samzoka an chhun lu theina tur le an shal chu theina tur collection center uluk taka thana tu thwa soibok ani district agriculture marketing committee chuan thai thar la khom na collection center hi mun som panga tul cheng na alam DCSO go down new champhai mailbook mual koi sajep Khuangleng khobung leithum wanzau farkon vaphai not khobung lems go down ramshang kon new champhai cold storage ter wa manap January thasungin collection center building te hi ti chen tu ni in thai thar chuate collection center a dalu le shal chuate omzani zo ka kalpui ni theina turin collection center supervisor nei tura mulak ni se tin an rel bok ani kumsani somni police sungin sersip districta tbv somru pakwa mu choni a nikum kum top December tha thleng khan heng zinga somthum pasari hi enkol damani to sersip district TB Forum and Chairman Pupol El Khuma Borsap Khova Sersip DC meeting hall a thukhom chon het huyan tar langa Borsap chon TB na in mihring taksa a thalo zonga hong chi sang sang nei the awangin ngai poima tul hle ti a mi na lo vei palani point thataka dam doi e chu en kol om chuna ni ati a TB vei ten TB dam doi e en ngai poima atul thu soin hen na vei te en kol konga thok tu te in pek na po fak omati thu soya the top cho zel turina cha ani het khoma hian 100 days TB campaign kalpui chungchang talan nin he malak ne Mizoram district palia kalpui mekani thule kumina world TB day march ni somni pli thlangin kalpui ani don thu talan ani a mitrom ngai te tanpuin atanga TB vei damlo ten chotha andon theina tur niksai mitra noya sersip district chunga hiam mi pani in tanpuina andon mek thu tarlan ani boka TB free village kalpui meka kum sangni somni pathuma sersip district a khosom pakhatle sangni somni pali khosom thum panga te TB free village a pol ani thu talan ani a kumina world TB day a khwa zongjong te TB free village a pon man base ani thu he hun hin tarlan ani bok tun hai shileng mek human metapneumovirus HMPV laka invendan health minister chairman noya avil tu tur core committee on HMPV din ani he shileng chungchang health minister pilrin pui hovin core committee on HMPV thutkhom ni in state level le district na rapid response team siamani up henga thok tu telemi puide shetur po rel ni in tun tum china shileng HMPV chu tang shileng chikhat kum danga leng thinang thonin ti a tuna hian Karnataka state a naute thathum mi le thariat mi a mu chu ni in andin hun ngai to mani lova damlam panzelin pakha chu damdo in atanga chu to ani thu talan ani thutkhoma talan ani danin henan shikhi china chau nilo khovel puma kumthina lenga kumtlona leng ani a ritang satli angina lang chuak thina health department on IDSP kaltangin hen anei uluk takin avil rangti soin tun hnaya influenza like illness severe acute respiratory illness case tamthar thut report omlo ti tarlan ani kan correspondent report ilong athlap sun zamang u
tun hnaya shileng mek human metapneumovirus HMPV lakalo in pochanan Mizoram sarkar chon hmala ngalani a health minister ho thutkhoma hian Mizoram sarkar chuan Mizoram medical college a hershi hitte setur ro manna siamani thuan soya hetiang thilthleng thutein rawrin naram pum huap drill nei to china hetiang thoklama harsatna respiratory illness silo punbel poni se in pochana thatak nei ani thu sarkar chuan an soya hershi laka invendan hian sarkar chuan mi puita hriat turan soya tlang shileng laka invendan sang hi man mai tur hani dona heta hian uluk taka sabon nena kutsil kut file of a mit nar le ka khoilo shitlanga wanga damlo te om nailo khule ha chiao changa ka le nar hu disinfectant manga vonban te ruk fai thin ba ka shitan laya ina tom tlat te mi puiten ngai poi mo sen du thu sarkar choran soi ani vanal rota akashvani Aizawl
Chanchinthar hi Akashvani Aizawl changa ponani a AR News Aizawl YouTube channel All India Radio News Aizawl Facebook page le news on air.javidat.in te Chanchinthar hi ngai thak la chiat heda ani voin chanhudan hele chanvea Chanchinthar pon le ani ang February ninga Delhi Assembly in than ni don nimin khan election commission chon assembly seat somsri omna Delhi Assembly in than hun tore puanga vote la te February ni ria ta chirani ang Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar chuan Delhi in than shet ni tun tha January ni som pakata ti chuani don ti a in than chotum ta tan tun thla ni som pasir thleng ming thelo theini in polling session sing khat sang thum le somthum pathum siamani don ti a tun tumin thana hian voter noi za somwa panga chongan am don ani ati Chief Election Commissioner chuan in thana hian Delhi mi puite vote thak tho turina soma electronic voting machine EVM call ti danglama puna chu hnolin EVM call te ahim tok ti soya India rama in thandan chu khovel huwa po a thaber polani ati
There is no evidence of unreliability or any drawback in the EVM. There is no question of introducing virus or bug in the EVM. There is no question of invalid votes in the EVM. No rigging is possible. High Court and Supreme Court is saying continuously in different judgments, no alteration in results is possible by activating a Trojan horse or a virus. EVMs are foolproof devices for counting. Allegations of tampering are baseless.
Marchak State Pali, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya le Arunachal Pradesh ate mipa ain meche voter an tamzok heng state palia te hian mi pa le me che omzat gender ratio po rampum chorol aina sang zoka election commission in special summary revision sang ni somni panga ati chu thar bera heng marsak state palia te hian me chia voter hi antam zok vekti sarkar thune tu te chon an sorry ani Nepal le Tibet ram relir ngingo wanga thiza chu za somni program tling to a Chinese media jinhua talan danin mi za samre peretin hliaman tuara ponto angin nimin tu khan Nepal Tibet ram ria hian magnitude pasari 0.9 lir nginga lir ngin tan na epicenter hi Tibet ram chung jinjang khop muna ani a helir nging hi India marlama poshiat ani a Bihar West Bengal Sikkim ate lir ngin threpa ani Union Home Minister Amit Shah chon min Khan Central Bureau of Investigation CBI tetana portal siam Bharat Pol New Delhi a hong Bharat Pol portal mang hian Interpol kol tanga ramdanga tanga puina rondil te olsam takalo chin che in red notice le Interpol color code dangte olsam taka pek chu ani to don ani Chanchinthar serti toplan atlang pui Agriculture Minister PPC Valrotan Qatar February somhnia tangin sarkarin so thing le tan don ati kumsa ni somni pali chungin sersip district a TB Vei somru pakwa mu choni a December tha thlang khan anjinga somthum pasari enkol daman ni to February ninga Delhi Assembly in than ni don Nepal le Tibet ram relir nginga wanga thiza chu mi za somni paruk ankling to chuti zong chu Chanchinthar kan pon thai chu ani